I'm gonna use it permanently, bro. Hi guys, today in this video we will be installing Chrome OS Flex in our PC. What is Chrome OS Flex? In very simple words, it is an operating system by Google, just like Windows by Microsoft and Mac OS by Apple. Click on the extension button in the top right corner. Click on Web Store and search for Recovery Extension tool. And add this to your browser. Now just open it up and click on Get Started. Now select a model from a list and choose Chrome OS Flex. Now select your pen drive and click on Continue, followed by Create Now.
One eternity later.
Now it's done. Now restart your PC and right click on the boot key of your PC and boot your pen drive. Now just select the language. Now if you want to install Chrome OS Flex permanently, then choose first option, and if you want to try it out first, so choose the second option. Now connect it to a network and sign in with your Gmail.
Much later.
I'm gonna use it permanently, bro.